How to find your PayPal account number. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch a preferred browser and search for PayPal or tap open your PayPal application. Once you are logged in, you will see an interface like this in the web page. Over here, you need to head over to the setting gear option, which is present at the top in the dashboard. Click on the setting gear option. Once you tap on it, you can open up your account setting. Unlike the traditional ways, you will not be able to check out your PayPal account number easily. For it, you can search for your statement details. However, in the case of business account, you can tap on the business profile. Right at the bottom of business information, you'll be able to check out your PayPal merchant ID. By this way, you'll be able to check out your PayPal account number. If you need help and assistance regarding it, you can check out the PayPal help and support. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.